To optimize time and money, this client hired us requesting different type of services or bundled services. Junk removal, carpet cleaning, deep move out, house cleaner because she's moving to another state, window interior cleaning. I already mentioned the carpet, right? Having a bundle of services, at least it's going to save you 20% in comparison that you call different type of company for carpet, window, or trash. We are anyhousecleaning.com. We work for realtors. For example, this clip is for a realtor that we remove furniture and mattress. Depending if the trash is small or big, for example, this job right now is for another person who lives in UK, rent the house, but he had to do an eviction process in the court and remove all the trash from the previous tenant, and we have to empty the whole garage. After removing all the trash, Juan Carlos was pressure washing the garage, and it was beautiful. So you can call us anytime by text at 407-572-4118. Thank you for watching. Bye-bye.